can't save her. And you're next, Shane. Unless, of course, you give me that shirt. Do you want to end up like this? I know where you live. If you don't give me that shirt, that's how you'll end up. I swear it. And you better have 2 of those shirts. Because if she doesn't get one, she's never getting out. I swear that. Make a choice. I'll give you her life for the shirt. And if I don't get it, it'll be you.